Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your display picture on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to refresh your avatar or showcase your latest hobby, customizing your profile is a breeze. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Next, tap on Edit Profile. You'll notice your current profile picture displayed. Look for a small pencil icon on it and tap that to make changes. Now, choose Upload Image. This will take you to your gallery, where you can either select a new photo or take a new one right on the spot. After selecting your photo, adjust the image if needed to make sure it looks just right. Finally, tap the check icon at the top right corner to update your avatar. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display picture on Discord. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful tutorials.